Okay, hello, my name is Rubia Marisol Torres. I am a student of a Bachelor of Foreign Language with English emphasis in fourth semester. For today, we are going to answer some questions in the subject. Okay, the first one is the opinion of the metaphor meaning of my partner. She's Valentina. Her name is Valentina, and she choose the metaphor that say are washes away from the soul the dust of everyday life to Picasso. I think it's very good metaphor. I am agree because the art, everything you see is a art. Can clean your mind, clean your soul. That we need to stop. Sometimes we need to stop of the job, the working, the running, and the every circumstance on every day, and we need to take a time and take a break. We need to sit down for a moment and stand in every moment and see and watch the art. The art means don't just a picture or maybe less a picture. Uh, uh, is to a landscape real, a mountain real, um, animals real. And when I see something that had peace, our life, we can change something in our life. It's very interesting because we need to change this world, and in this time, everybody is running, and we don't have time to uh, take a break, to breathe, deadlift slowly, watch around us the beautiful things. Okay. The second question is the opinion of history. Valentina's Valentina is a professional makeup artist, and training is amazing how she thought about the beauty. She thought about the appearance, the physical appearance, and emotional appearance when she thought about your job. I think that the art in the metaphor is the her job. Um, is the art in the metaphor about talk about the clean the soul, and when she is doing her job, he's cleaning the physical appearance and the psychology, mental appearance in her clients. When she changes her clients, they when the clients see over when in the mirror, the clients see another person. Is a shame. And when she go out to the salon, uh, she will be different because she appearance is different. And I think her job is good for clean the soul and clean the mind and clean the spirit, and it's good job for um, to take practice diet. Okay, the third and question is assessment of use of past tense grammar rules and spelling occurs. Uh, I was watching the Valentina's story, and I found some things like was a little bit she used a past tense. Your story was very excited, was good, and she explained very good your experience. And I saw that sometimes she had pronoun change. Uh, we need, I think that we are going um, to create more experience in the correct tense. Uh, and it's good. I think is was good for now. I think was a good story, a good experience. It's okay. Then another question was three pieces of advice to your partner in accordance with the experience. Okay. Okay, at least for Valentina, I think Valentina should take advantage uh, because she had a lot of skills, a lot of abilities and talents, and she have been responsible. She's disciplined. She she like her job and she likes study. She's my partner in many subjects. I know her, and she is very good student. Another tips for her, I think she need to talk about more experience with her clients, because I think all all the clients uh, can identify with that metaphor, because the clients when finish uh, to the Valentinas make the job in your face, in your appearance, the people uh, the people are transferred, are changed for another, more beautiful, of course. Okay, and the last one is the lesson that leads you to your partner's experience. I am excited for this metaphor. I am agree. Is great to know that a simple thing can use uh, can be used to shame and to clean everything. Like a picture can clean the soul. The minimum things that you see can you clean your mind. Depend yourself, ourselves. If I am tired, I am stressed, uh, I had a problem, a trouble, we need to, me, not another one. I need to stop everything. I need to shame my daily career, my daily job, my daily life. is my responsibility. Okay, thank you very much. Bye.